Hello everyone. In this video, let us try to find first and follow sets for the given LL of 1 grammar. So we have taken these two grammars. A grammar, if it has to be LL of 1, if it has to follow the rules of LL of 1, then it has to be, it should not be ambiguous, and it should not be left recursive, and the third property is it has to be left factored. So if you observe this first example, this first grammar, this grammar is unambiguous, that we can prove. And also we can prove that it is left recursive. Just by looking into the grammar, we can say that it is left recursive, because in the body of the production, the first variable that is present is same as that of the head of the body. So in that case, it is left recursive. So we need to eliminate this left recursive. Only then it can be LL of 1 grammar. So we need to change this grammar in order to make it to be not left recursive. So that we will see later. That is the reason why I have taken this second example. So for this second example, grammar, let us try to write the first and follow sets. So always you need to remember that in the set, first and follow set, what you are writing will only contain terminals or the tokens or whatever is there in the input string. So terminals are A, B, C and D. Okay, only those variables can be present in the input string. That is the meaning of that. So the first and follow set should contain those things only, including epsilon and the dollar symbol, which marks the end of the input string, and epsilon is for empty string. That is not an input string, but for our consideration to find the first set, we will be using this epsilon, empty string. So to begin with, we need to take the first production. Okay, this first production we will take and we will write the first set. Okay, always it starts with this curl brace. Whatever is written inside that curl brace is all the first set. So now in this production, what is the first thing that is present in this production? S derives BB, we have B, but B is a non-terminal. It cannot be present in the set. So we will check what is the production that is present for that non-terminal. It is B derives AB or epsilon. So over here there is A, right? So what we need to do to find the first of S, we need to find first the first of B. Okay, what is first of B? It can be A. For this production, A produces AB. For this production, A produces epsilon. Epsilon can be the first set. Okay, it can be present in the set of first of B. Next, we will also have to calculate first of C, because C, S produces CD. There is another production. So we need to find the first of C in order to find first of S. So what is first of C? It is C and empty string epsilon. Okay, for this production. So taking this into consideration, we will find first of S. First of S is first thing, first production is first of B. What is first of B? A. We should not write empty string over here. We have to substitute it. If I substitute empty string over here, it will be B, right? If nothing is there, then it is B, right? So I'll write B. Next, for this production, S produces CD. What is first of S? Is first of C. What is first of C? C and this empty string. We should not write the empty string. We need to substitute it over here. So when I substitute it, I will get only D. So that thing I'll write. Okay. So these sets form the first set for these productions. Okay. So now we will write the follow sets. So to begin with, since S is the starting symbol, always it adds dollar as a follow in the follow set. Okay, so that means whatever is there for the starting symbol will always be followed by dollar, which is the end marker. That is the meaning of that. Next, what we need to do is to find the follow set. We need to check this non-terminal whether if it is present anywhere in the body of any of the production. Is S present in any of the body of the production? No, right? So dollar only is the follow set. Next, for this production, B produces AB or epsilon, we need to check this non-terminal whether it is present in any of the body of the production. Here it is present, correct? So what we need to do is we need to check the first of, or the follow, or what is been followed by B. The small b is followed, right? Okay. Next, B is presented in this production. So over here, nothing is there after B. So what we will do is, first of follow of B is something is will be calculated by looking into the head of the production. What is there in the head of the production? We have B. So first of B, that will be the, follow of B will be the follow of same B, which is practically not correct. So only B will be the follow set. Next, follow of C. To find follow of C, we have to check whether C is present in any of the body of the production. It is present over here. At first it is present over here. So what is C followed by? It is followed by D. Done. Then is C present anywhere? It is present over here. Okay, it is present over here, but after C there is nothing present. So what we need to do? We need to check the head of that production, and we need to see what is the follow of C. Follow of C is D only. Okay, there is nothing else. So this is the follow set. Okay, in this way we write the first and follow set. Next we will consider the first example which was there over here, which is S derives SS plus, also S derives SS star, and S derives A. I have written it in this way for understanding purpose. Now if you see over here, it is left recursive as I told you earlier. Now we need to eliminate this left recursive property. So for that we have to consider this technique. We have to apply this technique. If a production is in this way, A derives A alpha or beta, then we need to interchange this production in such a way that left recursion is eliminated. So we will be taking or substituting it with these two productions, that is A derives A beta A dash in turn derives alpha A dash or epsilon. So this is the method to eliminate left recursion. Alright, so if you see over here, there is no variable that is present same as the head of the production. Also, if you substitute the values, you will get the same production which is there over here. A derives beta and A dash can be epsilon. So I got this production, A derives beta. Then for this production, A derives A alpha, A derives beta I will write. Okay. And what is A dash? Alpha A dash. See, A derives beta, and for A dash I will write alpha A dash. Now using this production we can write the same, right? A derives, what is A? A can be beta, beta alpha. And A dash I can substitute it the epsilon, that is empty string. So it will become like this. Alright, this is the method to eliminate left recursion. So same concept we will be applying over here to eliminate the left recursive property. So for that what I will do is I will take these two productions in consideration. So I will write it in this way. S derives SS plus or A. Okay, same thing I will apply. S derives SS star or A. I can write it in this way, right? So let me take the first production over here. This I can substitute it over here. A derives A alpha or beta. Okay, so let me take this one S to be A, S plus to be alpha, and this A to be beta. Alright, so in such case, if I replace it by, in these productions I need to replace, correct? So let me write it somewhere over here. S derives SS plus or A, and A derives, it is in this way. So how am I going to replace it? I am going to replace it with this production, A derives alpha, A dash or epsilon. So same thing I will apply over here. This is A, this is alpha, this is beta. A, alpha, beta. Now what is S deriving? S derives beta, A. Okay, A dash. A dash means this S. S dash. S dash in turn derives alpha. Alpha is S plus. Okay, and A dash is S. S plus or empty string. So this production is substituted with these two productions to eliminate left recursive property. Alright, so we will be writing this production in this way, and after that we will be finding first and follow sets. Those productions which were there, after replacing, I will be writing it in this way. Okay, these productions. So I have replaced these 3 productions with the 5 productions. Alright, so now let us find first and follow set. First, follow. Let me take the first production. S derives A, S dash, and S dash in turn derives S, S plus epsilon. The second production is same, right? So no need to write. So there is another one production. S derives S star, S dash, epsilon, and the last production is S derives A. Okay, so let us write first and follow set for this. Now S derives A, S dash is there. So what is the first set? It can be A, right? So over S is also there over here. Over here also it is A. So let me write this to be like this, okay? By that case, there is no need for me to write this production. Okay, so S derives A is the first set for this production as well as for this production. So first set I have got. Next, S dash derives S plus or S star, right? So over here, what is the first set of S dash? First of S dash is first of S. What is first of S? It is A. For these two productions, there is another one production which derives epsilon. So that is also present in the first set. Okay, so same thing applies to this also. A, epsilon, because first of S dash is first of S, which is A, and epsilon is epsilon over here I have written. So I have got the first set. Now let us write the follow set. What is follow of S? Follow of S, for it to write, we always have to write dollar, because that is the starting symbol and dollar is always followed by that. Next, we have to see where S is present in any of the body of the production. So it is present over here. What is S followed by? It is followed by plus in this production. And then S is also present over here. It is followed by star. So these 3 things become the follow set for S. Next, follow of S dash. S dash is present over here in the body. Is it followed by anything? No. So what happens? A follow of S dash becomes follow of S now. It goes to the head. So what is the follow of S? Is a dollar plus and star. Okay, that we have written. Over here also, S dash is, after S dash nothing is there. So we need to check the head of that production, and follow of S dash is follow of S dash itself, which is not needed to write. And same thing applies over here. So I have finished writing my follow set. Same applies to this production as well, because S is present over here in the body of the production, S dash, and after S dash there is nothing. So follow of S dash is follow of S dash itself, which is the same. I'll write it over here. So in this way we write the first and follow set for this production. So the concept of eliminating ambiguity, left recursive property, and making it left factoring is very much required for writing the first and follow set for the given LL of 1 grammar. If the grammar has to be LL of 1, then it should always have these 3 properties. Only then we can write the first and follow set. Okay, thanks for watching.